Mistake number 5 in the top 5 mistakes in civil is that learners never remember to convert their measurements into meters. If you look at the questions here, it's normally very clearly specified in meter, whenever there is a calculation to be done. Okay, so you can't give an answer in millimeters. You are going to be losing marks here. It needs to be converted into meters, like in this correct example shown here. Righto, number 4 is the easy one. That is where learners forget to draw a windowsill underneath a window. Here's, for instance, the correct example. You can clearly see the windowsill drawn in there. Okay, number 3 is when they insert the window in the floor plan, you can see here that there's a gap being left in the question. Now, the sizing of this window doesn't just slot into that actual gap. The gap is always bigger than the actual window if you look at your question. So please remember that to do that correctly, you have to lengthen those wall lines, and the actual window must be according to the question asked.